You're going to love the strength and durability afforded by Prodigy's 46 mil cap coat coupled with the 1.5 inches of insulation. This creates a phenomenal impact resistance of over 340 pounds per square inch. The unique stack lock design that you see here protects against panel separation. In fact, Prodigy has been wind tested to over 180 miles per hour. Prodigy's industry-leading lifetime transferable warranty provides protection against cracking from impact, even hail. Prodigy also provides a double lifetime warranty for fade in excess of 300 units. Prodigy provides peace of mind by being VSI certified. It's also been recognized by the United States Green Building Council as an environmentally preferable product and has been included in the 2012 IECC Code for Continuous Insulation. All of this backed by a company with over 66 years of superior performance. With Prodigy, maintenance is as easy as hosing down your house a couple of times a year. No more endless hours and expense of maintaining the exterior of your home. With a permeability rating of 5, Prodigy breathes so it lets moisture evacuate your home, and it will not support the growth of mold or mildew. Energy efficiency is where Prodigy truly shines. With an 1.5 inches of premium insulation, Prodigy is up to 33% more energy efficient than standard siding. It also reduces the transfer of noise from the outside. Prodigy's unique stack lock design is tight and secure, eliminating energy gaps. The insulation is also bonded to the siding, so it stays tight right where you want it. And with a full line of insulated accessories, installing Prodigy is like dropping your home into a tight performance insulating cooler. With Prodigy on your home, temperature will be more evenly distributed, resulting in a more comfortable interior and lower heating and cooling costs. When we look at the appearance category, Prodigy comes in a standard 16-foot 8-inch length, which results in 39% fewer seams on the home. Prodigy also has a 3/4 inch butt height, mimicking the look of milled cedar. Its unique design and premium 1.5 inch insulation coupled to provide a product that is self-shimming, resulting in straighter walls and more beautiful appearance. Prodigy comes in a rich, low-gloss, natural cedar wood grain. With 3 architecturally current profiles and 21 colors, Prodigy will please the most discriminating buyer.
Here at Factory Direct, we believe that experience is everything, and we would also like to thank you for considering Factory Direct. Whether you buy from us or not, make sure to use us as your resource. We would be happy to help.